resources. Seven cops for one fucking traffic stop. Fucking waste of resources. Waste of our tax-paying money. Fucking joke. Yeah.
So how do you know where the cops are right now?
Listen to a scanner.
Okay.
Listen to a police scanner.
So right now, where were you right now?
I was at my house, 2 blocks away.
Damn. And you heard that? You came over here?
Yeah, that's what I do, man. Copwatch.
Is it like non-profit shit or?
Yeah, it's all community outreach, activism.
How's it? Where the fuck do you come from?
Right on, thank you. I mean, we're out here.
How many people are in your like organization?
Me, my girl, we got a couple other people around here. We got a few other people in other areas.
Yeah.
So
base families out there.
Yeah, and those are the main ones I was watching.
So what was this one?
That was they're called crime suppression team, and it was just a traffic stop. But you see how many cops?
Yeah,
that's fucking ridiculous, man. You know how much money they make? They make over $100,000 a year, each one of them, over. And we're paying for that shit, you know. So we're out here make sure they're doing their fucking job, you know, and not hurting people. And if they do, we got the evidence for the people, you know.
Yeah, I support that.
That's what it's all about, you know. Like we're just looking out for people, you know.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. I've never heard of you guys. Do you guys have a business card?
It's called Copwatch. I don't have anything on me right now.
Oh, are you guys on Facebook?
Yeah, if we're on Facebook under United Against Police Terror. That's our organization. But if you go to IRATE Productions on YouTube, that has all the videos. I mean, I got thousands of fucking videos of them acting up and shit, you know. They hate me, you know. Like, I get mad dog at school and everything, you know. But I'm allowed to. Like, there's laws that say that we're allowed to do this shit, you know. Even in their policy, it says that we're allowed and they're supposed to encourage it, even though they tell me to get back and shit all the time, you know. A lot of people get arrested doing this shit, you know. Take the chance. Just looking out for people.
Yeah, that's good. Because like
you can't trust them nowadays.
We got pulled over. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I was like, they fucking harassed me for no reason.
Yeah, we use their laws and their policies against them, you know? Like, they fucking pull shit on us, any little thing, you jaywalk, you fucking, you know, drop your cigarette, that's littering, that's $1,000 right there, you know? Like, that's some bullshit, you know? And these fools just run around and they're supposed to be stopping crime, but look, you seen that shit. They didn't even give that person a ticket. So the money that they spent doing that doesn't even make up for it.
They're discriminating, that's what it is.
Exactly, man. I listen to them all day and they're like, oh, stop that black guy with the afro, and that's it. Like, no other shit, you know, or stop that Mexican dude with the tattoos, you know. I mean, they used to do it to me until I started filming them.
Do you usually like record around this area?
Yeah, we live right here, so we're like usually just in the area, unless other things like gonna pop off other places. But yeah, we're always in this area. You don't need to answer any fucking question. If they ask you something, that means that they're asking permission and they don't have the right to fucking do shit. If they ask you to search your car or search your purse or whatever, that means that they don't have permission, they're asking you permission. Tell them, fuck no. Nope. I don't consent to any searches. You don't have to say anything. If you get stopped, you don't have to ID yourself. They don't tell you all this shit, you know? They think everybody's stupid, that we just go along with what they say and everything's gonna be fine. Well, fuck that, you know? That's harassment, you know? If we were to do that, if I were to do that to you all the fucking time, like, hey, what's your name and shit, that's fucking harassment, you know? So
yeah, I had, you know what, camera with
own money. I work a full-time job. I mean, I make a little bit off the YouTube. Do you get paid for this? No. I mean, I make a little bit off of YouTube, like maybe like $100 every couple of months. Copwatch. Just look up San Diego Copwatch on YouTube and you'll see hundreds of videos. If you look up San Diego Police on YouTube, my shit will come up for them. So.
And you have no profit off of this.
Yeah, not really, man. Like people give me like a few bucks here and there, donations and shit, and then I make like $100 a month, if that, off of YouTube. Yeah, this shit's like $1,000, man. I just bought this one. Like I just upgraded and shit. But I mean, I take this shit serious too. Like I could be doing it with just my phone, you know. A lot of people just do it like that, you know. But the best thing is, man, if you ever get stopped fucking filming, man, like everybody has a right to do it, and I mean, they expect it now. They know who we are over here, so they expect it, you know. Like I guarantee before I even rolled up, they're like, oh shit, he's gonna come over here, you know. Like, they all know me and everything, you know. And these fools, they don't live anywhere our neighborhood and they, you know, stir up all this shit.
Yeah, I like what you guys are doing.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Sometimes a lot of us don't have evidence.
Yeah,
you know?
and that's what we're here for. You know, they got all their body cameras, which we're not allowed to see. They all back each other up no matter what.
Body cameras. They started body cameras because of that.
Yeah, and we're not allowed to use them.
You can also turn it off.
Yeah, exactly. And
they can't.
And for the you can't.
No, they can't turn that shit off.
They can. I see them all the time.
They physically can turn that shit off.
Yeah, it's against their policy.
Well, no, it's against the law for them to.
But I mean, it's
they can turn it off.
They shoot innocent fucking unarmed people and they still get off too. So you know, they plant drugs on the body camera and they still get off. You know, so what does a body camera do? That's why we got our cameras. You know, because we catch all their shit. We don't edit it. We don't book it. You know. Thank you. So if you see us, we're just looking out for you. Yeah.
Yeah, I've been in and out either.
So.
Feel you, man. I mean, it's all set up, man. Aaron. Yeah.
Well, nice to meet you too, Aaron. Sophie. Where do you guys live right here?
I live on 44th, like right by the liquor store.
Your girlfriend lives there too?
Yeah.
Does she do the same thing too? She records everything?
She's down as me, man.
Yeah. I give her props. Tell her that I give her props.
We're in that one.
Alright then, y'all be safe. Have a good night. Watch out for them cops.